Maksayang araw, this is Kathleen Ligaspi, your MaxiCare HMO partner. So this video is for you if you are looking for affordable, accessible, and comprehensive for your outpatient care. So introducing Prima by Maxi Health Plans. So wag na nating patagalin, let's discuss your options. Experience a full year of worry-free, accessible, and budget-friendly healthcare with MaxiCare Prima. So every health card comes with the following. So comprehensive services. Pre-existing conditions. Welcome po dito. No paperwork, no preliminary checkups needed. So starts at 999 pesos. So the first on our list is Prima Consult. So this is available in our Maxi Health shop for only 999 pesos. So please don't forget to use my link below when you want to purchase this one. So what are the coverage? So we have the PCC consultation, unlimited access. So please take note that all consultations are covered except psychiatry, which will be on out-of-pocket basis. Then you also have annual physical examination coverage, basic 5 po siya. So you have the annual physical exam, urinalysis, fecalysis chest x-ray, and CBC. Then for other tests, you can access it at preferential rates on our MaxiCare primary care clinics. So again, this is exclusive to MaxiCare primary care clinics only. So the next on our list is Prima Access. So this one, if you wanted to have a consultation and a laboratory access. So this is priced at 9,999 pesos. So what are the coverage? So you will have unlimited access of PCC consultation. So please take note again that all consultations are covered except psychiatry, which will be an out-of-pocket basis. Then the second one is you are covered with annual physical examination. So the same din siya, basic 5 po. Physical examination, urinalysis, fecalysis, chest x-ray, and CBC. Then you will have access to set a laboratory test. You can avail it 24 times in total. So 24 set. Then you have 2 sets of X-ray. So limited to chest PA X-ray. Then you have the twice ECG access and one ultrasound. So if ever po, halimbawa, na-avail nyo na yung ultrasound, so within your coverage period, pero ni-require pa po kayo ni doktor ng additional parang additional ultrasound. So since you have availed the one time na cover po ng ating Prima Access, so that's the time po na you will be availing the ultrasound at preferential rates. So anything na over with your limit, so out of pocket or at preferential rates na po siya. So again, this is exclusive to MaxiCare primary care clinics only. So the third of on our list is the most comprehensive uh, plan, which is the Prima Elite. So price at 19,999. So ano naman yung mga coverage po nito? So what are the difference between access and elite? So for elite, so you will still have uh, unlimited access to primary care clinics consultation. Again, except psychiatry. So out of pocket basis po tayo doon. Then you will also have annual physical examination, 5 sets or basic 5 po ulit. Then for set A laboratory test, X-ray and ECG, you get unlimited access. So kahit ilan pa po yan within your contract period, so you are covered. For our advanced, any of our advanced and diagnostics and imaging, so you can access three lang po. So for example, for ultrasound, including na dito po maternity related, so sa mga expecting moms natin, so you can also consider this one, to the echo, treadmill stress test, and CT scan. Plain only. So plain lang po yung available sa ating PCC. So any of this 3 sets. So let's say, dalawang set ng 2D echo, isang set ng ultrasound. So pag na-over na po tayo doon, so that's the time we will be accessing at or availing the procedure at preferential rate. So again, all these tests and procedures are only available to our MaxiCare primary care clinics. And each of our clinics, so please take note that yung mga tests po is subject to availability based on our clinic locations and branches. So it's best to check it on our website, www.maxicare.com.ph, for our MaxiCare primary care clinics locations. And ito po yung bago, last January 15. So all our Prima members will have an additional personal accident protection at no cost. So you will have a coverage of 10,000 for all our plans. So ang ano din po nito, validity po, kung kailan din po may expire po yung inyong Prima products or Prima plans. So now let's go to the exclusions and limitations. So number one, we have the outpatient consultations and procedures outside primary care clinic. So please take notes, yung Prima po natin is exclusive availment of consult, annual physical examination laboratory sa ating MaxiCare primary care clinics only. Outside of that, not covered. If there is an hospital admission or confinement, hindi din po siya covered. And emergency cases. So how to avail your Prima Consult Access and or Elite? So first is you go to the link. Ilalagay ko na lang po sa comment section yung link ng ating MaxiHealth. So please use my link po for that one. And number two, you add to cart po o your preferred Prima plan. Then number three, you will be receiving a confirmation with reference number. Then number four, you use it to register and receive your e-card. So please take note that this must be registered within 3 months from the date of purchase. Then the validity of our prepaid Prima plan is good for 1 year. Then, schedule your appointment to any of our MaxiCare PCC branches. And, of course, you go and avail the services in any of our MaxiCare primary care clinics. So, very easy, very convenient. So, walang halong ano pa po, mga documents. So now let's discuss the frequently asked questions. So is the e-card transferable? So yes, e-cards are transferable provided that it has not been registered yet. So yun po please take note. Dapat hindi pa po na-register. So pwede yung, etong case na to, halimbawa, may gusto kang regaluhan. So ikaw yung bibili, tapos siya yung magre-register. So ganun siya. Then, how will I receive the e-cards? So, the e-cards will be sent via email. So, please take note, use your personal email. So, yung mga work emails na medyo strict po, meron minsan na hindi nare-receive yung mga yung tawag dito, yung mga verification code. So, I highly recommend to use your personal email. Do I need to activate the e-cards to use them? So e-cards are activated once registered. So how long is the validity of the e-cards? So e-card must be registered within 3 months from the date of purchase and valid for 1 year from activation. So registration link will expire if you do not register within 3 months. So please take note lang po. Then, where are the PCCs located? So, MaxiCare primary care clinics are located nationwide. So, you can visit the link below. Meron po tayong list ng PCC doon, or you have the full list also on our MaxiCare website. Of course, these Prima plans are exclusive only to MaxiCare primary care clinics. So you can enjoy world-class service like no other with MaxiCare PCC. So short waiting time, top-notch specialist, paperless transactions with no LOA requirement, state-of-the-art facilities for lab and diagnostic procedures, cozy ambience with available amenities. So we have Wi-Fi, charging stations, and overflowing beverages. And of course, conveniently located uh, across the Philippines. So again, so you can check the available MaxiCare primary care clinics nationwide. So please check nyo po muna kung meron accessible na PCC near you before availing any of Prima Consult, Prima Access, or Elite. So again, thank you for your time. This is Kathleen Ligaspi, your MaxiCare HMO partner. So please use my link when you purchase Prima products. Salamat!